Good day everybody. What's on the table today? We have a VFR 750 and I want to make a ram mount for it to stick in the steering stem. There's a hole right there. That's right where we want to stick it in. It's supposed to be looking like this. So I just looked around in my scrap heap and I found this piece of stainless 316 it is. We have to cut that bend off and then we have a nice straight piece to put in the lathe, and we'll just you know, turn it to size, drill it and make the clamping piece out of it together with some threaded rod. So well, let's stick it in the saw and see what happens. Well, I forgot to take the camera to the saw, so yeah, this is what it is, and yeah, let's stick it in the lathe and turn it. Okay. with the drilling and turning complete. We're about to make a little notch in the end, and you know, just get a file to it. After that, we'll just stick it in the bandsaw and cut it to size. Cut the 45 degrees, like you can see here. Cut the 45 degrees in it. Yeah, that's it, and then cut it straight, and there we have the pieces. That will clamp the thing into the steering stand. Just a little more filing, you know, to get it nice and smooth. So here we have the threaded rod in the bandsaw. I have the threads protected by pieces of aluminium, so the threads will not be crushed by the vise. Okay, and then we're ready to start cutting. Alright, with these little pieces complete, we are going to weld the threaded rod to the bottom half of the clamping piece, and yeah, let's go and make some sparks then. So here we are, the welding is complete. It's still hot, so we let it cool for a while and come back later. So the piece is cooled down. What we're going to do now is we're going to hit it with the wire wheel, you know, get it nice and smooth, and then we're ready for assembly. So we're back with the VFR, and as you can see, that's the hole we want to put it in. Here's our assembly, and we'll just stick it in there. Alright, yeah, tighten the nut. And then just put on our Delrin piece with the ball on it. It grabs the thread quite nicely, so we don't have to tighten it too much. It's nice and snug. And so now we can put the mount for the navigation aid on it, the TomTom navigation. And there you have it. This is project RAM mount completed. So if you did like it, please leave us a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to, and leave a comment. And well, hope to see you again.